Hello everyone, my name is Najmul Hassan and I am studying Bachelor of Mechatronics at FHWS University Schweinfurt. Today I will explain how we can calculate maximum voltage with two resistors which are connected in series. As you can clearly see the question in my shared screen that we have to calculate the maximum voltage that can be applied to a circuit comprising the resistor, and the values of those resistors are 150 ohm and 100 ohms which are connected in series, and the 2 watt and 1 watt are the powers of two resistors. 2 watt is basically the power of first resistor which is 150 ohm, and the 1 watt is the power of second resistor which is 100 ohms, and these resistors are connected in series, and we have to find the maximum voltage with these values. As you can clearly see in my diagram or in the given diagram, then this is my voltage source. UQ is basically represent voltage, or we can also use this notation for maximum voltage UQ max. UQ max is basically means maximum voltage. This is our first resistor and this is our second resistor, and this is our current, but the direction of current is forward direction, and the voltage direction is downward direction. So first we have to go upward direction so that we can easily find our maximum voltage. So now our voltage direction is upward, the current is flowing in this direction and then moving it into the right direction, and then current goes into the first resistor, and the value of our first resistor is 150 ohm with 2 watt. After this our current is flowing into the second resistor, and the value of second resistor is 100 ohm with 1 watt, and after exiting our current from second resistor it goes back into the voltage source. So this is basically our diagram of the question. So let's check out the solution of this question. So as you can see that I drew this diagram according to the above diagram which is in the question, and I just put the values of resistors and power. So for calculating maximum voltage, first we have to find the maximum power, as you can see in my solution. And how I found the maximum power? By adding power 1 and power 2, which is 3 watt. After this I found maximum resistance, again by adding R1 plus R2, which is 150 plus 100 ohms, and our final answer of maximum resistance 250 ohm. Why I have done this? Because we have to find the maximum voltage, and you have already know guys that for maximum voltage we always use Ohm's law, and the Ohm's law said that the current and the resistance both should be multiplied so that we can easily find our voltage. That's why I use this formula UQ equals to IR. I is basically our current and R is basically our resistance, and these I and R basically the maximum values because we have to find the maximum voltage. So for current basically I found the maximum power because the formula of current is power upon resistance. Basically I square current I square is equals to power upon resistance. So that's why I found the power, maximum power, and then found the maximum resistance. And after finding these values, I found the maximum current by using this formula. I square max is equals to P of max upon R of max, and our values is 3 and 250. So I divided 3 by 250 and our answer is 0.012. This is not an actual answer because we have to find I max. So for finding I max we have to remove square from the current. So how can we remove the square from current? By taking a square root on both sides. So so I take the square root of 0.012 and I found 0.1095 ampere, which is basically equivalent to 0.1 ampere. After calculating maximum current and maximum resistance, we can easily find the value of maximum voltage by using Ohm's law. As you can see in my screen or in my solution that I found the maximum voltage by using Ohm's law, which is UQ is equals to IR. I is basically 0.1 and R is basically 250. As you can see the circle on the answer of maximum resistance. So we get the final answer of our maximum voltage, which is 25 volt. So the summary of our solution is basically this. Maximum power is 3 watt, which is here. Maximum resistance 250 ohms, which is here. And after these values we easily found maximum current and maximum voltage, and the value of maximum current is 0.1 ampere and the value of maximum voltage is 25 volt. And this value is basically our required value, which asked in the question, as you can easily see it on my screen. So this is the way through which we can easily find the maximum voltage of two resistors which are connected in series. Hope you guys understand my solution, and thank you so much.